Have you ever wanted to learn how to edit and shoot your videos using just your smartphone? Like transforming your background from this to this, or even this. Or maybe you're interested in exploring freelancing gigs, mastering graphic designing, or learning how to navigate and speculate in the financial market. If this sounds like you, then you are in the right place. Stay tuned. I'll see you right after the intro. Hi, my name is Majid and welcome to WebTech. This channel is all about helping you gain practical skills, unlock opportunities, and use technology to better your everyday life. Whether you're curious about video editing on your smartphone, like tracking or even keyframing, this channel will teach you how to use apps like CapCut, InShot, or VN to edit like a pro, or from your phone. We will also explore ways to make money online through freelancing, diving into gigs like audio transcription and graphic designing. Plus, I'll also show you how to use your smartphone to design flyers like this, or even business cards like this. I will also show you how to navigate the Forex market, showing you how to properly trade currency pairs, commodities, and indices. Together, we will learn how to spot and execute beautiful trades like this. We will also explore how to prompt AIs like ChatGPT to create and design websites, and unlock other amazing ways we can use AIs to improve our daily lives. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and take your skills to the next level, then this channel is for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and never miss a video from this channel. And if you are excited as I am, give this video a thumbs up and share it to someone who you think might find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make something amazing together. Peace out. Don't forget to turn on the subscribe